Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Xiaomi Poco M6 Pro. Now this is a budget smartphone from Xiaomi that you can buy from Amazon. I will put the link in the description. So here as you can see in the box, and the model that I got here is, it comes with the 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. The color is blue. So the deal is really amazing guys. In this price range you get a really good specifications. So let me first just open the box. You can also purchase this from noon.com if you are living in Saudi Arabia or Dubai, and you can purchase this for around 749 Saudi Riyals, which is a great deal in my opinion for a 512 GB storage option. So let me just quickly peel the plastic. And it comes with MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra processor. So let me just quickly show you what's inside the box. We get another package which I'm going to open in a few minutes. So let's put it to the side. And here is our device. So it comes with 6.67 inches 120Hz refresh rate Full HD Flow AMOLED display. We are going to see once we boot the device. So let's keep it to the side for now. And another thing we get in the box is a charging adapter which has 67 watt rating, which is very good to see that they are providing us with the charging adapter inside the box, and it can charge up to 100% in 44 minutes, which is also very good to see. So we get a USB Type-C cable as well. And in this package we get our SIM tool. As you can see, here are some quick start guides and manuals, which we don't need actually. So here is our cover case, and the cover case looks really nice. Here is our manuals. So I'm going to put that to the side, and let's see the cover case. And really nice cover case guys. I'm really impressed by the build quality of this cover case. Looks very good. It has a Poco logo, as you can see, and looks very nice. These are the things that we get inside the box. So let me just quickly put these to the side, and let's check our device. So as I mentioned previously, we get a 6.67 inches Full HD AMOLED display, and it comes with 5000 milliamps battery. So the body is also very premium actually, but from the side it looks like plastic, and on the back I think it's also plastic. But on the front we get a Gorilla Glass 5 display, and on the right hand side we have power button, volume up and down keys. On the bottom we have a Type-C port, microphone and a speaker grill. On the left hand side we have SIM tray, so it supports a micro SD card and a SIM card slot. You can also put dual SIM in it. And on the top we have speaker and headphone jack, which is really nice to see guys, that we are getting headphone jack in this price range. And on the back we have 64 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization and LED flash. It can record up to 1080p 60 fps videos. And yeah, the body color looks really amazing. This blue color, I really like this color. Overall really nice build quality. So let me just quickly boot this and set this up. Also on the front we have a sticker, which is also very nice to see, but I recommend to put a glass screen protector on the front, although it comes with a Gorilla Glass 5 protection, but I usually put screen protectors on my devices so to add extra protection. So it is running MIUI 14, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So guys, I set this up, and honestly this is the best budget phone that you can currently buy right now. The bezel, as you can see, the performance is also very good. 120Hz refresh rate it comes with. The bezel size is also very thin. So let me just quickly show you the overall performance. I'm really liking it. As you can see, the smoothness. Let's open the camera, and as I told you previously that you can record up to 1080p 60 fps, which is really nice to see. Now let's check the storage, how much we are getting out of the box. Let me go into about phone, and it is using only 29 GB storage currently, and it is running on MIUI 14 version, Android 13. So yeah, the performance looks really nice so far, and the touch sensitivity is also very good. I really like the AMOLED display. The bezel size is also very thin, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you are liking the display so far. I honestly am blown away in this price range that you are getting this type of display with 120Hz refresh rate. So overall, a really nice looking display. That is the main thing that you always look at when you are using your phone. So if I go into settings, and the refresh rate is set to default, so it will automatically change. So let me just quickly show you a YouTube video. Here is the video, and let me just quickly turn down the brightness a little bit so you can see easily. And the brightness can go up to 1000 nits. So guys, amazing colors and really vibrant display. The sound quality is also very nice. We have dual speakers, one on the bottom and one on the top. Overall, a really nice display. The display quality is amazing, guys. In this price range, you are getting this type of display. Looks very nice, and a very enjoyable experience you can get. So yeah, I think I need to update the YouTube application because there are some glitches, but I didn't currently update the YouTube application. So I need to update the software as well. And on the front we also get a 16 megapixel camera. So let me just quickly put the cover case that came inside the box. Here is the cover case. Looks very nice. It gives it a really good grip, plus the quality is also very nice, and you get this for free, which is also a very good thing. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you like this device. So yeah, overall a really nice device. It also has a fingerprint sensor, on-screen fingerprint sensor, and face unlock. We also have always on display, which is also very nice to see. So let me just quickly show you inside the settings. Always on display, and the display is stunning, guys. I'm really impressed by the display. Here is our face unlock option and the fingerprint option. So yeah, overall a really nice device. If you like this video, guys, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.